I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Jio Finance shares. First, you'll need to understand the company's business model and market position. Then, open a Demat and trading account with a SEBI-registered stockbroker. This account is essential for holding and trading shares. Finally, ensure your trading account is funded with the capital you intend to invest. Before making any purchase, thorough research is crucial. Examine Jio Financial Services' financial statements, including revenue, profit, and debt levels. Look at broader market trends and the financial sector's outlook to gauge potential growth. Also, consider what financial experts and analysts are saying about the stock to inform your decision. Once you've done your research, log into your trading platform. Search for Jio Financial Services or its ticker symbol. You'll then choose your order type. A market order buys at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price. Finally, enter the number of shares you want to purchase and confirm your order. Congratulations, you've bought Jio Finance shares. Now, it's important to regularly monitor your investment's performance. Keep an eye on company announcements, quarterly results, and any news that might impact the stock price. Periodically review your overall portfolio and make adjustments as necessary to align with your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.